meet with new people in this place. I do not know what I should speak about at this moment because there is a diversity of background with which people are assembled here. Time there, and then leave it to all of you if you would like to ask me anything, any question based on what I say. Either it is yoga or meditation or Ayurveda. I would like to highlight and expand on this idea of the unique features, some of the unique features of India which is relevant for the world today. All of you have heard from Baba Indra that India has taken over the G20 presidency from Indonesia. And when India was taking this, what is it that India wants to project under its G20 presidency? What is the importance that India has to share with the world? And I'm looking for a document from where I can read a few sentences to you what Prime Minister Modi said. And bring to the world is a new thinking. It seems that the world has forgotten what is today's reality. Till now, in all ancient period, humanity has faced scarcity. There has been scarcity of energy, there has been a scarcity of food, and people have been fighting to grab whatever they can. Countries have been fighting to get resources, energy, food, etc. India wants to give this message to the world that that era of conflict is over. We have enough in this world to sustain the humankind. There is some statistics which shows that if each one of us on this earth start consuming like the Americans consume per capita, we will need 8 such earths to fulfill our all requirement. But if we consume at the level of what per capita consumption of energy and food and everything happens in India, you will need only 8% of our earth. That is the level of difference. And India would like to project to the world that there is a need to have a change in our behavioral pattern. We need to make small changes to make this world and the environment livable. Our G20 logo is also giving this message only. And the logo, as you say, I was told that in Bali it is very, very well known. This phrase, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It comes from a Sanskrit shlok which says, Ayam nija paroveti ganana laguchet sam udhar charita nam tu Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It means, this is mine and that is yours, is the thinking of narrow-minded people. People with wider perspective consider the entire world as one family. The importance of using this in our G20 logo is explained better in English here. One earth, one family comes from Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. One earth, which is our family. But then we have added one future. And this is the message that India is giving, that unless all of us treat this earth as one family, the future of this earth is in trouble. If we do not treat all of us as one family, we will not be able to secure the only home that we have in this universe. The future depends on us, how we treat this earth. And India has been giving this mantra that we need to make small changes in our behavioral pattern. All of this is based on India's ancient wisdom, India's ancient knowledge. And because there are certain students also here, maybe I can give you a few examples of something. What in India people say about education. Once again, there is a very famous shlok in India, in Sanskrit, which says, Vidya dadati vinayam, vinaya dati patratam, patratvat dhanamapanoti, dhanat dharma tata sukham. Which means, education, vidya, gives humility, vinaya. Education gives humility. Humility gives us capability, patrata, capability. With capability comes money or richness. With richness, you can follow the righteous path or dharma, and only when you follow dharma, you can get real happiness. Vidya dadati vinayam, vinaya dati patratam, patratvat dhanam apnoti, dhanat dharma tata sukham. When you are having education, I wish I can read out the original let me see if I can find it quickly. No, it's not here. There is another shlok which says that when you travel abroad, when you travel anywhere outside your own city, you have the best friend in education. Education is the best friend when you travel abroad. At home, your wife is your best friend. When you are sick, aushadhi or medicine is your best friend. And when you are dying, dharma is your best friend. This is another shlok in Sanskrit which I wanted to read in original, but I don't have it right now with me. The other aspect of India's wisdom is something much more substantive. Some of you would be knowing about India's astrology. How many of you are aware of India's astrology?